Okay.
Possible. Send nipa bi o wa asase su bia ebetimi achieve financial freedom. Say ni obi o wa asase su bia se wo pene saa say ya wo na to ohiem say ya wo na to sikam say ne maami wo bi say ne maami ni bi possible so obi ebetimi akasa meti wo yi me pese me de me ho e wo sikam na me nye gine sika ho sika me ya ma dwenjene metimi nye sika de atoto mabrabo ama brabo akoyie no saade no saade no obi abetimi anya bi anase ye wo enipa sonko bi group of people bi a wo mo de krofo we de wo mo de wo ye de wo nto wo mo da e so mo de nyame bo wo mo se wo mo medi ye wo sika mu ena krofo bi nso wo ho a nyame abo wo mo se wo mo emedi hia ye obi abetimi achieve ana my first question no
me da say nti me so me chia tie for ene abusuafo question no me go straight.
Okay.
Enye obia na betimi adi enya financial freedom.
What you say?
Enye obia na betimi adi enya financial freedom.
Enye obia na betimi adi
ye be yonkofo bia.
Ye wonkofo bi.
Yes, yonkofo bi ho no mu a omo betimi anya financial freedom. Na ansa na me trade ntia.
Tian okay.
Financial freedom no enye bibi huhu bia.
Okay.
Financial freedom ne say. Wo both wealth.
Okay.
Now what the wisdom to maintain and multiply it.
It was say cancer financial freedom. I know just say who wealth.
Yes.
Now who the wisdom
to maintain.
I would be maintaining wealth
multiply.
Now was na so aba. Na say e begina na sika na san beso aba. Obi bebu say wealth e dey.
Wealth here bibia more than sika ne nyoma e bro sa.
Okay.
So I think Ecclesiastes 7:12. Bible calls wisdom is a defense.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
And then what calls money too is a
defense.
That means there is wisdom and there is money.
Okay.
Into wealth and here adia nimdie ni nyansa eni hunumu ema obru sika so. Ema odi nyane oma e chen sika.
Oh.
And on the wealth.
And on the wealth.
Yes, into wealth bit me I say nyame ama onimdie ni hunumu a in addition to sika ebemba
onsem no
ebeba onsem no utimi senya apomuden sonko a ema otena seche.
Okay.
Utimi ehunu kwan abefa so a sika keto abi kwan nkra utimi di nya japade a etimi generate sika.
Etimi di sika bre wo.
Wealth na more than money.
Okay.
Nti say utimi nya wealth which is sika ene nioma emesika ehu benyam.
Okay.
Ahoden to say adan to say nioma ema life ye easy. Ema ho nchire ema onye stressful but ema live without having to depend on a third party.
Okay.
And on wealth.
Wow.
To betimi enya sika na so no any wealth because sika crowd.
Na esuna bia wo yare.
Enso sika crowd enso so oda obi fie abosumi bia otua ka unhunu nyansa ebema sika na mo atimi ankasa wasi wa ofie onso betimi dia generate sika ni.
Wow.
Enti eno no sika ne kurenti amanesa.
Okay.
Into wealth is more than money.
Okay.
You can financial independence. Yes, when you see can the chance I kind of wealth no. Na fe wanya hunumu ni dia e masa sika ne de keka ho no etimi ejina netena na fe utimi san e ma bi bada bia.
Yeah.
So send ye wonfie ko no e do so send e be ya send the Bible can you are able to leave an inheritance for not yourself, not your children, but your children's children.
Nessa onana kanso mu nyina no wutimi ba wo bra yie e wo sika ma sika ne bi be so wo mo so
pepe nti san so on so a na so nko so you are not wealthy.
Kakra na ba wo
so eso afoforo so eso maso eso oma enananom ne o maso a.
Yes.
Now you have come into the place of wealth.
Okay.
And to be able to do that, we hear wisdom.
We hear nyansa.
And this all call Ecclesiastes 7:12. So we read the message Bible. Or can say, or can maybe say double protection. Or a headline, or say double protection, or say wisdom when it is paired with wealth gives you defense.
Nessa wo ai sika ene ade timima sika no ho banyam.
That is defense.
And no ye bambo kase.
Yes, now King James or say money is a defense. No they are told. No Abeka say wisdom is also a defense.
Nessa sika ne nyansa kona kra mo ye twins ana.
Sabe pepe.
No, sika ne nyansa. Omo ye ntafo.
Sabe pepe.
Nessa ultimi kase unim uwo nyansa betime mo nya sika.
Sabe pepe.
Ena se sika no ntimi nyina ho without wisdom.
There be.
O sika ne hia nyansa. Na timi ama wanyini.
Yes.
Enti sa wo ba ye obesa akọ.
Oba kontina make say nye obia na betimi enya financial independence. enti me ba be ye no ano no ati obi a wo de asi nani so say obehwehwe the wisdom of money and then the ability to use that wisdom to maintain and multiply the wealth na nyame de amana no so we obi a offer sa na we and you are qualified to be able to do that.
Enti the dog can say enyu obi a na betimi adi ye wa asase so ye wo mo bedi ye ni wo mo ni ye na de ensonso ye dantam ni de obedi ye no wonim kwa efa so peska ene wo nyansa wotimi de bosika ne ho ban
right
ema sika ne timi nyini
right
ne ba mfaso ma wono ne nananom ne oni hokra no etimi ya mfaso ma wo mo enti se wonye obi a wonim kwa efa so peska
right
ena wonye obi a wo nyansa de tutu se sika ne dia
onka ho onka ho enti Yesu mpo in Matthew 26:11 oka se mi say omo a odi hia no ni financial wealth no they will always be with us. Yes, Nakai. Yes, Matthew 26:11. Or said the poor you will always have with you.
Listen here for because
wow equation. Intinyo bia ne betimi I disqualified from not being poor. Intisawanya de edika kanya. You are welcome to the world of poverty. But so we are there, then you qualify. In fact, I mean there was a place as well. Yes, you can say, I give you no catch your disciples, I give you the keys of the kingdom. Yes, it means in the kingdom there are keys. No keys plural. It just said they are doors. And one key that opens one door it's not the same key that can open the other door. Until you see keys. Until you can have the keys. In fact, in Proverbs, there was a man who had wisdom.
Okay.
But the man didn't have money.
No, nyansa, but no
nisika. Until wisdom now no. Yamfana nyeshe. Of two of foot will come and so now say no any wealth and our money is and your money to me di intino. No two for qua. Then to me fanning cover bia. In the African proverbs we will buy a can. Find a timmy boo betting before. Yet buy you bunny answer a one. Say intimia mixing with the wealth that you are able to generate. Now we see me now quite sorry we jidini over tongues with the communion. Say Easter by to me. I was sorry near their mind. In fact, the next 40 days after resurrection, he is going to be made manifest in many ways. But the point in it said yes, they will always be with us. A principle. They will not be zero. Okay. And you won't croffa, we on there obey at the four. Okay. This all person obey or the four dear. And that's the two defense mechanisms, wealth and wisdom there. Then you have been given the key that opens the door to the world of financial independence.
When ya obedi be puno no e de nya sika mu fa hodie na se enye nyame na ayesa ankrofo ne sa omo the world of poverty no enye omo ana enye nyame na aye omo sa
nyame dey come my keys no
or the keys na
the key to wealth.
Okay, the keys to wisdom.
In fact, look at Revelation I think 22:12 or can say about the lamb that was slain worthy to receive. No abonnement bear sense.
Yeah, I say wealth, power, riches.
Riches is there. Yeah, God has given it to you. It's there. But the American say there is a door, there is a key that gives you access. Let me buy. Let me amount me car key. Me ma me car key ya. So me ma me car key ya. The first mama car key we no. And say what the kojina car be an baby.
The bitches a walk car.
This a who car cry. And Jesus Christ have given the keys. He has given us the keys now. Man refer to know the power, the wisdom, the wealth, and the things now describe it after the lamb was slain. And into redemption, you have been given those keys. Now when you are also who door now the key
because the king could know who door cry.
Into my example practically. So person we need the key to say ubenya nyame presence.
Okay.
Menya sofo but the principle of God.
Okay.
Or say in Psalm 100 I think verse 4. Or say enter
his gate with thanksgiving.
Enter just said in Bram and enter just say you are entering a place.
Yes.
But there is something you need to open before you enter.
Yeah.
And I'll say enter into the what? The gates.
Yeah.
Gate. That means there's a key you use to enter. And I'll catch the key crown. I'll say enter into the gates with their name.
Thanksgiving.
That means without thanksgiving, you cannot have access to the door that opens you to the presence of God. Let me hear the communion diamond.
I'm Tony Crow with the communion on Sunday. Miss me Divina, Jerisu Div, and I had the communion.
Kotola Pala, account now I'm sure almost say a Christopher. Yes, because you know your my keys, no. Immediately you receive Christ.
When your keys, no,
he has given you multiple keys.
The lamb that was slain
before. Yes, he was slain so that you receive these riches and wealth. Yes, you have them. But you would have to apply the key to the doors. Into your financial independence,
riches not the my so.
And none says you need double defense, two-edged sword. Wisdom and wealth.
Any a Japan, me fancy sikane hu niema, e mesika hu benya.
So where nyasa anema we are. Ya wabo bia so betimi enya, but where nyasa anema me onka ho. Nti na mse nye obia na betimi enya. Nti you interested, pay attention today.
Okay, enti dia wo kan se niema obi opese wo de ne ho e wo sikam.
Right.
Na daache wonye mobo. Daache won sese wo hia niema mienu. Wo hia nyansa and wo hia well.
Yes.
Enti enye obia na ye interested. E se enye obia na pe nyansa no. And enye obia na pe well. Obi wo kro tifika so waja eri ase kro be je dia.
Ya meje hwe. Into what is our castle? Yes, so can not team no switch to politics. Into one year, I just said no, baby.
Okay,
and as all where say, come on once a month. And hello, you are welcome. And then two scores. Ghana coach now. But when I was switching on, you're ready to get the key in this early panel. So cantons, so called a Pentecost, so called charismatic, and I'm a Baptist, and that's also on Dinyamino on Kasama Ebeke home because you're ready, so you're interested. So you're interested, and found school, okay, and found crowd free move, and found on my crowd free move, and found so table for now. The tea biano so ukre kina mi kre kina mi krenyansa no mbotons ansa na ka kina bi
debi
se mi kre kina mi koto bible kura me nka se kadasco librandi lipando ansa na bi unya di tikano to no ma ebe bible
na ma
if without the key you are not qualified to get it.
Wow. Any na ye pe keys no,
it's as simple as that.
Na ye pe keys no ye pe the keys no a ebetimi ama ya enter into financial independence and as a financial freedom. Ye pe keys no a ye bo brave say Mr. Frimpong, yes sorry obi anam they want to ade wo dome market here ton they wo kan here ton they want social me Facebook or social me life wo so so mo offices doctors baby a obekọ bia nipa wo ho me nyina ne se benye ska obi a sorry a wo ko they want that the nurse wo no de bia was unemployed youth association ebi ono waka ho bi but obi sorry but at the end of the day ye pede ye benya am ye ho atoye enne ma ye keys no a ebe ma ye bedi ye ho sikam na sikanti ye nya akoa ebi se wo hia ema nipa ye mobo na wo kan wonim nyansa pa ba hia hia ntu kasa ye ntie bible kura aka ye despise wo wisdom huyanti ena nka wonya wadwe se nka obi kunu nka bedi na chi o no aye side chick business ba papa nka wo mpe no kura pa ba sika no eti na wudi achiri eti enka wo ye nipa nka be so usum nyame yi ba se sei ohia no ma oda ne trofo wo ya wo so petrol no meto 100 so na ye 500 am oda ne trofo because of security eti ma ye keys no ma ye the wisdom no na ye nya worth no na ma daache ya de ye ho efisikanti I ready ye besua de ye pese ye ka group A for no ho ye pe group B for no o mo ka se wo be wu
okay enti enioma mechre no emre nti mebubum be se miensa
okay
de di kan no meka se uye bibi e masika ba onsem a sisia say if you earn an income uye bibi a uye na sika ba onsem either bosome ana say na otwi bi ana da bia wo say nipa no ho asem na ye beken
wo se uye bibi ema sika ba wo nsem
wo sa nipa no na be start with you
wo na be chance
na wo a wo so wonya hwe sisia no
wo de onka ho
asema ye kenka ho ko me ka sika ba onsem
obi ye sika ba onsem
emfa ho ne ketwa
na sa ne kese
emfa ho ne da
sa wo ye adwuma wo ye bibi e di sika ba onsem nko ade a ene enkomo ye ma wo
ene ma masa me be kire kwa mfa so abepa adwuma me be kire kwa sika ba onsem no ebe ma watimi manager ma wade ho
okay
nti say wo ye bibi ma sika ba onsem those are the people I'm going to concentrate on.
Okay,
that means wo nye bibi a mesika ma onsem a de meka nyina ntimi mfanya shi nti de di kan say you cannot be wealthy, you cannot be financially independent if you don't have anything you do that brings you money.
There wo kan say wontimi nne ho wo sikam just say wo ye bibi e di sika bra
and the crutch
yes and the dafo
say sa de ni ho no mo a Paul kra the sanction ato so say wo no enam say wo nya adwumenti no actually wo di kra no because that principle no what break is happening. What
break it? And you know who some near we are outside the commonwealth.
Yes, go to baby. Say nyame boa na say wutimi start adwuma ana wo ye bibi e discover broa.
No decide we dey beji two baby. Okay, tie sem mo amonya hwe no a.
Right.
Sika bia ma mo nsem no. Wo dey tie na fa to.
Right.
Da chi bi say wo chance say wo be ye bibi a.
Right.
Na wafa na wo de ayeduma emfa wo se 1 cedi na ba wo se emfa wo se 2 cedis na ba wo emfa wo se 3 cedis na ba emfa wo se wo ya ba adwuma emfa wo se wo ye adwuma so long as sika ba wo nsem da bia na wo twen wo so me afidi mu de
you can be financially independent
obetimi ante ho
okay and this sika na ba wo nsem no na nhwe no dodo de enioma de di kan wo so ye ne se sika no hunu se eye 90%. Sikana me say about onsem no enye 100%. Sikana about onsem no remember say makase keys ho asem
ya chepen wa ha o ebi mu so atwe wo mo phone
enti
ye penim de
enti hunu say sika bi about onsem bia no say wo person wo ye financially independent don't look at it as 100%. Ye 10% to be make sure they be can from
okay
but the be can the 90% ne crown say 1 cedi say 20 cedi say 10 cedi. So, person financially independent. It is not about the 10%.
Okay.
It's about the 90%.
It's 90%. And so you need 10% to baby. But 5 sikana say, and ya a sikano, me fan say me kuta 100 cc, me fan say 90 cc. And say me kuta 1000 cc, me fan say 900. Me kuta 2000 cc, me fan say 1800.
O salary ana de discount you 90% once and you be
90%
you manage 90% na yes and you be kana you are financially independent and ye 100% no into o miniska no masate so by 10% ma che kenye sika e bounce na ne dodo ne yo en na ma ye financial no
David ka hono biem e ho hia me
minisika no eno no eye paradigm e wo trims o dey are two trims e minisika mate ye be kire kan before so abenya sika but the make can say enya ne dodo ene ye ka ho asem because obetimi nya 20,000 cedis minimum obi a obetimi nya be minimum obi or earn be 200,000 a month and a minimum obi or earn just about 200 cedis a month and a minimum obi a in between onya be 20,000 a month.
Okay.
And obi so nya 2,000. The point ne say omu nyina no enya de onya 200,000 a month no and ye de for.
Okay.
Whoever including the 200,000 person na a obehu 90% de kura no so hwe. No aye nioma e beken no nitimi ye de for. Na ye nipa a ogisika dodo.
Na ye pe breakthrough ye dia na wo ka tire ye.
Mati. Because the entiane say opa hwe ni ye pa. Sikado do bia ni hono ma de ma wa beso di
ampa
obia ni hono mo beka se si ade se misika no se ya tum from 2000 ko 5000 me ho adweme oboa principles e wo life principle ba ko o sika semu ni se the moment o sika sem ni de bounce sem na be kosoro kakra bi no pe no o lifestyle eso increase to match the increased income.
Okay.
In the bed, things are because I said, name if you 2,000 or 3,000, I miss Casama to 2 years, and yes, sanity. The man is a son and say, the Abba means same beer,
90% in the Kutamino. Dear Mayor,
I don't hear.
Me patrol, opinion, Richmond Kwame from Ponce. More Mutiena, Namisika, and a bosumi so 1,000 e de ma me and a 2,000 and a 20,000 and then kan ha kra e de na beti me de 5,000 aye e de na de ta wo se enye sika dodo na ba wonsam no e na hia enye no na kyese wo bede wo ho obi betimi age bosumi e bia ne sika e ba ne nsem be 20,000 obi de 2,000 obi de 200 obi de kwa 200,000 wo se nya dodo no na hia dear 90% the wo beye no no eno ne hia enye sika dodo no
ento bitimi nya 200,000 na se ne 90% no otimi de mu 1,000 esie na obi nya 2,000 na ne 90% no or de mu 1,000 esia. First one me saw the saying is 1,000 yeah. Second one me saw the saying is 1,000 makes me aka just say 200,000 e be hia na eja 2,000 because omu nyina dey the crony sie name 200,000 or who 200,000 no to me the 20,000 see not 1,000 ni no the 1,000 see ho na e ka se ne dodo no ho abamfa so ama no
okay
enti de wo de be ye any idea also pay attention to
the other 90% ne be ye no e ho ne hia
enti tie de also do 90% here. Number 1 e was so 90% no miensa they di kan decide ni o ma e ma space so ma space no you have up to 50% of the 90% on my space you bet him and now the toss me no nice to have no spend up to 30%. The chat to on save and or invest and 10%. Into 90% up to 50, up to 30, and then up to 10. And 19 and I'm wa
and you see ye sika no tie for muntie
correct
ye kudu obi ekuta wo bia se bi kura 1,000 ene kuta wo yi 10% fato baby ntie ye ka 900 ne ho asem
sa
900 no si chemu miensa
sa
etu chemu miensa wa bobo dim wo se first one friends
first one ye my space
yes wo do we abekere ye
and no needs
ni ehia
and no say one fesikan yes anyoma na won kwampo etimi affected
okay
won kwampo etimi affected
etie nchemu miensa
yes
na wo se nchemu miensa na ma bia say
must pay near up to 50%.
Okay,
spend
okay, up to 50%.
900 watch mienu.
Yes.
50% no fire near me tetesa.
Tetesa, you better say
not 30% no nice to have.
Okay.
Nice to have some iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Okay.
But met me you should Techno 2.
And so man the same thing many the same function you know.
And depending on the music and the so no. I want to make us a 30% nice to have.
And nice to have.
So way say me 30% need to mean nice to have. Me nko me force nko bobo sia nko ye.
Nko ye.
Enti make sure say 30% no nice to have no.
Okay.
And some
say you call 80% ko. Enti aka 10%.
10% no. Decide say what the savings and investment.
Next 10%, next say 90 naso.
Asun pepe.
50%, 30% and 10%.
Enti wa wunye sika no de di kan ni say efri sabre a wotie mi.
Yes.
Usika sem no say won hihye ni say ya. Ubetimi akọ school, ubetimi anya salary increase, ubetimi a change adwuma, ubetimi anyuma be say 9. Ubetimi a adwuma no pay wi na nwere oti abrochire. Na enso so ye be kọ 50 years no. Na only 50,000 in our account. Ubedi 40th birthday na only 400 when you crown ubida otin kasans won ubida ubedi 60 years na nso na so san ye adwuma because one year adwuma
unidi
be hihye enti se one hihye usika sem say and as abre wutie mi sa won hihye usika sem say ya you are not qualified to be financially independent
se wontimi nchiche usika mu miensa say ya I ever count 1 and 2 and 3 no. We 50, we 30, we 10 no. Next let's say one more who be ye was sikamo no. One
count. Now, the toss will be able to say, so 50 when the main house session the other bay.
Okay.
One also decide.
One abetchere.
So 30 is a main chro the other bay. One
abetchere.
The here said the other you know a nice to have category. No.
Okay.
And at the other and a must pay category.
Okay.
Until one also would decide this at the corner also.
All right.
Now. So what cost screen is one? Maybe so the first sheet in the
tuso. Okay.
Now, yeah, very practical.
Okay.
So what person will see kasam no to me chichemu seni makin ya. I was so to me any oma ye be di kind. Di kind say maybe say unim sika dodoa o spend bosumi bia.
Hey!
Because remember say my first two categorization make ourselves one I spend on needs,
yes,
which is must pays,
yes, must, yes.
And I say second one 30% we spend on wants,
okay,
which is nice to have, and some 10% I say no cry expense by expense no be see and as be investment, expenses. But my question maybe I said, do you know how much you spend monthly so that you know whether they are going to must pay or they are going to nice to have or they are going to savings and investment?
For Mr. Frimpons me musa say busumi bia wonim de wudie
intimate answer no so wo screen so a so wonnim a chrosa the krona wudie no and chro ne cedi say 100 are convertible dollars is here na me try because 10 you use 10.
Okay, me pa cho bro your Facebook page in SOMPA 106.5 FM akana mo so mo hye mo TikTok no me busa wo say busumi bia wonnim sika dodo a wudi wo spend in a month,
right? So wonnim a sa ne o ma me di kankan wonnim say wo sika no 50 ko ha na 30 ko ha na 10 ko ha nti e kire say e betumi aba say wo do 90% ni nyina nice to have. Now the 80% here nice to have, and now the 60% here nice to have. Until you know you cannot deal with it, until you know,
and so when you
can't deal with it.
Maybe I tell mom famra why mom famra.
Intina Bible say for lack of knowledge, no knowing. You will perish. Oh no, the piano will save you. Until you must know. So where who sikado do I spend there? Where can you start from? You can't start from anywhere. Until now, is it Luke 14:20? Jesus expressed a shock. Yeah. Is there any man going to war? Who sika semi ever come and say, "Wow, say I can't grab." But uniska or guntem. Uniska o bufu basabasa. Uniska o makre behagi wo fias. Mo fam kwasa asemo so. Until war. Life is pleasant and nice to have. What tongues crown, what buttons, and say comfortable. Life is stressful.
No, Mr. People, baby, with this school, I would dear Quano pay dear. Ghana afford to do a saying the Nimsika or Mudina Bosome. And nothing I can't afford to do now, so here. It's as simple as that. Because if you don't know, then you are qualified to perish. Wouldn't you be a nessa will buy here? Nessa nipa bia was so nipa bia we Ghana near person would do who is Camono. Dear Dick can say, as a someone who sika to do a wood dino bosome.
Yes. In Tisa Opesa we the four start free ho, Medicanca say, Sikana bounce 90. Medican I had the 10 not to be 90 and I'm see Chemumi and son. Nansa na obechemi ensano bo ukra wonnim de abosome efiri onsem kotu bounce. Won shada hu sabosome bia say na me spend it. Na watimi abeka se we ekoha na we ekoha na we ekoha so ma se sika kra wo chekire no bebre sa kra santem enti na woni skai obi a oso ye defo bia no bosumi bia so odana unyane no kra onim de bosumi bia me spend onim de na otwe bia me spend enti se bosumi nam soen ana bosumi ne nwie bosumi ne expire na so wo trasa ade na o se on spend bia ko se bosumi foforo beba enu nti na adwuma bia ye se adwuma kase bia ye hwe almost statement financial statement ne ade a financial statement de case we a profit we a loss ne ade nti ne yesa ye measure ma hu se sika we ko ha na we akọ nti na be afa ne be ko we hu se sika no misika sem say adwuma no ekoyi ana na sa wankasa
wodi ho unim obi ti anti akosi se de sika no de akote sem frama o
sa pepe so na be ko because who need saniety
enti se busumi bia wo hu ne wudie
sa pepe enti se wonwen sa ye de sha ase ama se
okay
se te se dien krampa sika no esha te se
dien kra no
o so hu ba bia eko sani ebeya ye be chichemi no ube efi na ekro no ube hu sani obesi aye no enti eno ne de edi kan a ewo se hu so wa hu ne saa hu be kiro minim senti ase wo
enti ase wo ho enti ase wo ho
enti se
busumi bia ye hu ne ye die
sa pepepe
enti busumi bia de sika free ensem ba bia ekọ ese mi hu se we ekọ enti na ye be ekwan be ne be fa so betimi aye sa de no msa
ye okwan be fa so abehu ane se ewo se wutimi etna ase seest thou a man who is diligent in his business? So me can't say I also tenase no kra wabre. Me can't also tenase. Is kaka kre be hwehwe so na afeje sa busumi ameka. No kra say ska no kra o ye pepe na yo seest thou a man who is diligent. Sa de na also ye no e also wutimi sinkete
se wo be ye
because ntina nka say nyo obia na obedi ye because wonya wa dwen so do wani be koska no kwan e be kirewi. Entinam so you are not qualified.
say yen tenase.
I was say tenase. In fact, and I'm say number Luke 14:28. Jesus say nenti obi ohono mo wi ase a.
Obesi dan a.
Person si dan. Dan ne de. Me pese me sika sem to ye. Dan ne de. Me pese me nana ne me nana no mo ho ton sika sem. Dan ne de. Me pese me bobo si ansa na me didi. Dan ne de. Me pese da bia metem pentin kwansa na de. Me pese me to eye me ho no metimi to. And only dying no, that is a picture of future no. And I say, is there anybody who wants to do that? Now on sisi and you're surprised to Jesus.
Yes, you are surprised.
Yes, because me can't set tenacity. Hey, now we should I'm tenacity. You serious? You serious? Tina why certificate masters? Why a chartered accountant? Your bossy cow sorry the man abofu. Meanwhile, you're molding, you're offering, you're molding, yes, if over 500,000 fabra. You're molding, because you need be a double. Enti diligence no, say, who say, Sikabi a bam in some busumi be 1,200, 100 no. Set busumi a yasha see, and a German knife and ambo. Into okay, what your own person bebra between April 1 and in the same year, Rabekai. Yeah, a quite person I was spend new sika. Bisa ho ebia obetimi ayusu momo expense spend momo pa anase obetimi asese bosumi bia de ne di misika ebia nduane ebia nsuo ebia rent ebia abusuan
ba se wan tira hunhu
enti o se wo tira so na wo tira se wontimi ntwira wo se manko school me de mi ntimi ntwira ma menwe me ho wontimi ntwira so wotimi sese nkrofo edoka
utimi sese
ntwira wotimi twiro ayi to ododo a wontimi nkotua okrom
utimi ye
wontimi ntwira wotimi kan nkrofo a odoka wontimi ntwire ena wokoton tomatoes ojo wotimi kan nipa dodo e ba ye ne ntare na wa hye ni sika ode ma ne sesa de ma ma kro
wotimi hu ni nyina
nti wadwene no nyame aye ne se
so ma me shukura o kai
wotimi kire oh bosumi me kai se me use 200 first week no because we ka se me say ena we ka se me say na we ka se me say record to ho ne unse bosumi bia me sika se ne tie wa kasa ne fa to ho ne unse bosumi we say ni say na me spend here ne botie because utimi tie radio utimi ye audio call WhatsApp microphone tie otwi enti say utimi ntwiro kra ubetimi abo na wa ma obabi
attrap to ho
baby ama eno na me ka say we interested say
obedi wo ho pese wo di ye
this all sense ade we because once see untimi huna no
me first time ma metie wona me nye sade but me first time ma metie wona me sha say baby me sika kobia matrix
important
enti day no me nya kodru fie pe na ma count anopa yi day na me di for breakfast me boka say 20 cedis ewia me di say 50 cedis and then me ba me to food na ma combine nyina enti week na ma calculate me spend day say we me first time ma metie na me yes djumadi enti week no so ye na me say enti me spend
say
for a bear 200 Ghana cedis for fruit what brought fruit no kra no mitimi to mato mango na masanso ato orange na mato pineapple na masanso ato pear na mato to bia me bakra mitimi ni nyina wo na medi ba miensa bi etere bi kra wo nkohwemu no na anka ne bi kra gu ho na apro
right
eti na eni kwansa nka ade chia me tobi ba me tracy them say no eni e minto fruit every day
right
me ton na ade chia me nto me ton 3 days when them say fruit no nko an 200 na etede ba 50 cedis
right
Sabre ne tede ba 50 cedis na ma save 150 banka man tra and come who say sa sika na me di to fruit no me waste no and me checking who say data nso that time na nye wifi you go say data you to data na bia wo ko Facebook na nenam na wo ko YouTube afi de me checking ye bia na bundle yi ma bundle bia 320 e bia ma bundle 100 ma bundle 50 20 and also me checking ye no me bebre and no so me te so banka manye san exercise ya wo kan ya hu ba bia me sika e ko and me san checking electricity prepared ni bi dey use I thought me say bosom ne so a sika ko a wodi tua wodi tot light na no dey do na me say air condition me ensa na wo fie no
yen so na da bia yo die so
air condition no and na air con no kro enumre say ewie mo ohia enya button na ye bedum no
right
ampa electricity na meto no me manage ye eso tey
on so kane enzi
so kane o me ya no maduntum no
just baby a wote no pe na abeso
just baby a mete no kwa na meso anasa wo na plugs wo on ene no so metete so afa no ma save set na mo nam say asemo rich mo frimpon e kan ye no kwe pa o se wan tena se
ansese
na wan sese dia wo boa emfa wo ne $1 million se kra ba won sem wo ebese breakthrough ne kra
ba sesen
no kra
sesen disa wo obi a we are middle class wo kwa adwumetu aga bo so meni ade a pay attention sesen
na 10,000 bo so se ma me 10,000 20,000
enka hwe stress eka ebe meno enti fane sa anyoma we so enti yanko back to the screen.
Okay, yanko back to the screen.
First, I catch you say I was say utimi hu how much you spend.
Okay,
now omo can say and no omo try to her good enti trust as can to
ye nua ba ko na ya champion say we say obe documenting the spending starting this month was it na wo tie wo chance ye ne ya
important. Now utimi ya won say averagely won say busumi ya say na me spending na fe yetimi categorize it.
Okay,
ye toss me no, do you know how much you earn monthly?
And you be earning.
Okay, me be chira the enti a wonim. Sika earn monthly ne nye sika ye tua o say salary nko a.
Sir,
sika bia ba on nsem bosumi ni nyina no. Se sika ne ba on nsem bosumi aside o salary a e bia be to accounts ma onim no. Wonim sika dodo e ba on nsem bosumi bia.
Wonim sika dodo e ba on nsem bosumi bia.
Averagely wonim sika dodo e ba on nsem. Se wonim na say oh to da 500 e to da 600 e to da 700 there's a problem. Because obi onomo a oje 10,000 obi otm sisi a oje 10,000 10,000 no se okoban so okohwe ne balance a bosumi bi oboko akohwe no na 3,250 but onim die ya teteno di onim an so the car loan bi eteteno na waji bibi odwuma ma eteteno but onim the details of it and unti ya man 10,000 but oboko akohwe na account na 3,000 die ya bisa on say you must know how much you earn monthly
say uhu bosumi bia sika e ba wonsem
yes
and nya o salary nko a me fan say bia we ya ban adwuma na say we yankwa na etua wo ka 1,000 nya no nko a sika bia free baby abeka ho no say uhu
na wa try no in dollar terms so ato
and so what in dollar terms
we no na otie giving the answer 1 and 2 no remember say you say 2 no how much you earn monthly into the third point and you say do 2 minus 1 simple in simple terms 2 ne sika you say earn monthly no obekaya question 3 ne yes sika earn monthly 2 ne 2 question 2 ni 2 no into your question 3 say 2 minus 1 and the 2 ne sika ba on sembusumi bia no and a 1 no yes sika o spend bosumi bia and this we your calculations say na wutie ya bo answer wuti no nya no hwe yenko second page
Munti free mu my
Munti free mama na say utie pa obetimi asende aba na uti free mu a you say if your uti free mu say if your answer for step 3 gives you stable liquidity ni say ukosura me say answer key ni say sika unyaye no say a positive neta say a positive and negative
okay
na just say no stable liquidity
and no say stable liquidity
sa enkofo ameka say 90% distribution ya be no ya qualify o say afi why ready yen ko na yen kire ni o man de be into we stable sika say me stable
okay
problem be no you can start making the distribution into 3
okay
but say unya yen say na answer ni a negative value I just poor liquidity.
Nese udi bebre sin de wunya.
Enti usika na wo de kasa we calculate say sia kra. Wo kra why magician. I say me see this we be 300. Me was sika ba me say me 120. Na just wo de ka ba bi no. Enti no we magician. Wo hwa salary me salary na me salary just 1,200 but me can na me spend 3,500 just we a second person no we poor liquidity in the problem baby just see fixes our problem no can answer na be
distribution
and they make progress with omo positive liquidity
omo timi ete the omu different the omu nya ye ni mo na ejina yie answer na ye positive answer na ye
negative wa koyesa adwuma na me ka say ye nansa na ye be ya be hu de ye betete free mu na ye de wa beto second one
nti wo de wo pe ba biti nansa mo amode ye negative no mo amotete de mu die no e free de mu nya free mo kwa mo no mo ho ye mo nwanwa mo kwa mo busa mo say eh bo so me ye na me nya 3,000 ba me di 5,000 There's a negative 2000 no. Mo de montena ho ansa.
But the good thing for one say, this any pan say one who say here.
Say one who.
Inti e come wa e be hu ni mo say film. Na wa wo so wonye, wa ya so braje wonye.
E kra no.
Wa bre kra dada no. Wo de say wonya hu mpo no wa di hu dwuma. Inti wo no e betena ho saa ama ho akiro. And then found this card about ntimi nya ho hwe.
Okay.
Now what to aso a omo answer ma omo stable liquidity e positive no. Adie bi on ma so ye.
Okay.
They say assume your average income into above. So average income I can question 2 one sign.
Yes.
Assume say sika no. E free na ekwe say sika no mebio. Aye.
Sika no abusumi bia menya no.
Aye answer na say see bi say na.
Aye me assume say bi mebie mu a.
Yes, remember say you can establish that one was stable liquidity say yeah na bi aka echi.
Yeah.
Aye positive. And I'm say wosa nipa no. Once na ma 2 na kire income e ba onsem.
Yes.
Assume say see access sika na free na ekwe no.
In mebie mu a.
Okay.
Sabusumi akatua ne mebiem.
Right.
Achede ne mebiem.
Right.
Mebiem mu a.
Right. For how long can you finance expense na you calculate was step 1?
No.
For how long can you survive on that expense without having to depend on a third party? And also answer mami. So one tia say me be trebio. Let's say sa income now chro say meje teku meje sempoa no. You see the would film na positive no. Sa sika no. Assume say see sika no. Good. How long na sika ya maybe unu betimi atena without having to depend on any other person? Say jina he. And mama options. Option 1. Betimi atena 1 to 30 days. Less than a month. And now betimi atena 30 to 60 days.
Okay.
And now betimi atena be 3 months. And to decide which one I betimi say how do any kan or how betimi survive for either 1 month, 2 months, 3 months.
And Mr. Frimpo nya botiro.
Okay.
Se bosumi so akakra yenyen. Ye keka ye sika nyina esi ne ye bia menya bia 2000 bi. Eno na me de hwe me how far. Ebi amesumi kodwom na meton ade a anya bia bosumi bia menya 3000 bi. Eno na me de hwe me ho me koton ade. Eno nim se da bia nso meton ade. Wo ka che me se memfa ne se. Sensi kan menya bie mu a
bibiasi unya
bibiasi te se de covid ba ye ya ebi ko hye dem se bibiasi anase bi kra ye yimadi
anase accident bi aba
nya mempangu anya untimi nya adwuma bie mu a wo se me musa me ho se
emre tintin se
akra na da me ho no se na betimi ahye me akosie
ne tintin ne mre dodo
ena
mama option say bosome mienu bosome miensa anase bosome nsia.
Ora for question ya ubusa ye die ka megina covid abreso de akade a covid ne kra no one day kra bi antimi an survival
sa
ai obi wa ene wan kodwom na
okay
de onya ne no eno no die
okay
ade achi no kodwom a de obenya no ne obedi eno mo so mo ye bosumi adwuma no bosumi ne kra enya nu 30 days no by 20th na ansa
no because ya kra ni sika na epuskasa
nti sa obi epuskasa
oje dama to say
enti no se wo be ka che se dia na da hwe na ho
okay any once any say answer now take and say less than 6 months say the make bisa o say see ya kan
me entimi hwe me bosumi nsia
6 months you are a highly indebted poor citizen so utia kufota na even epic for mine
say wo ye misem munti asem na opanyini ka no na chroto ho sabere ya wutie mi sika bi e ba wo nsem bosumi bia mo amunya adwuma no kwa de bo de ye to bo twere ya che ena mo so mo nchoro so ya to bo twere o ye kamu a calculate ye hunu say mo so kwa mo calculate ye negative no so kwa so ya to mo atwene
because I say I could deal with it
eno a che be come say ye ka o mo ha wo mo calculate at least de onya no e don so sin de wodie no
correct
ena wo so wo busa wo say sabere ya wutie SOMPA sabere ya yemfa ne say wakatua mabiem sika na wonya no busumi bia na mabiem a se woti hoyi se sika de sika bempo se wontimi nhye wo ho enkosi busumi nsia wo so say nipa no ye friend say
highly indebted poor citizen
highly indebted poor citizen nessa wo ye hipic
pepe nessa wo no ye nipa hipic na nka ye man but say wo ye nipa it was a serious or say no ye hwe ho na ye ka enunti na yesu nwa na obi say obi taa ho enti oso mo ani ko ho da intensive unit
na at least income ye na 1 month impoi na 6 months there
e also nya 6 months so when nya 6 months some nka say nya 6 months so when nya 6 months odin ye hepic so when nya 6 months o ye hepic into situation is serious into namo awabubu abeti a also ye hwan
awudaka kese mu ne
we ye banker we ye teacher we ye o me store wa hane ade ni na sa ade a ye
woni sika da ho ebetimi a show busumi nsia we ye hepic ka wo say highly indebted poor citizen
into nioma duo ho no mo se ye kire o ma wo ye anya sa financial wealth ya ikanka njabe watimi ansa na na enye obia na
ampa we die me no ya enye obia
sa ntima prove is happen
wo prove onye obia na obetimi anya financial wealth
bi enti die na wo se wo ye e wo so ye nioma 10 nioma 10 no mebo so quickly na ma fa bia na ma chim die di kan you have to make cannibal you have to determine your survival shield.
I know patches
mechrim determine your survival shield. Remember say my cancer was say unya busumi nsia na your financial survival shield. Obia o tie mi bia o pese o sika sem de ahoton ne financial independence bro no. E wo so utimi nya sika da ho a etimi hwe obusumi nsia ankokora no. Financial independence qualification di kan no.
Qualification di kan no. Se wo utie me anya bia wo sika e da ho a se wo nya adwuma ne wo nya hye wo yare na wo da mpaso ana se adwuma ye yiwadi a ese se wo sika e da ho a ebetimi a hye obusumi mako nsia
ankokora no busumi nsia. Enti de ye be ye no e be ma financial independence no ye or say ye ade e be ma wa build o survival shield into survival shield in 6 months no so one build o survival shield sa no me no symptoms e ka e mene o de ka another thing say we are stressful bibi kakra bia no I stress and they toss me and some symptom they say you make very bad financial decisions enti the kind no they toss me you have to now build your independent shield. First, your survival shield. Second, your independent shield. Independent shield, when you're 6 months, also when you another 6 months, a trim cut 12 months into survival shield near 6 months at that hole. And now independent shield, what did another 6 months account and on a critical also spending. But that also be behind to me up follow on that. And here's step 2, Time Basu. Step 3, you have to make sure say you build 12 months buffer no what build a certain shielder and no a massa 6 months extra na man 12 months no sikane da ho no eno ye adwuma ma wo de di kan me say build your survival shield and only 6 months no enti everyone say busumi bia misika 2000 survival shield then they say I was saying 2000 times 6 months
yes
in this have value no
that's 12,000 no
12,000 say I order 2 trim say me be ye bibi be ma me disika be sie be dru 12,000
akoto baby ahunfa wonsanka
no dey kan e kire say we build the foundation to financially
na say wo fapem no na wa hyase no anya bia wo sika enne say wo nya adwuma ye yi wadi Ghana ya tumua wo sika da wo betimi a shop so me makoma konsia kope na fato baabi
enti de ye be ye abema wanya the first key to that ne say me no ka say any ho that is fine enti o hu sika dodo a wo behia o say I start ye bibi fa ho na wo de kosie sa anya hwekra mo say ska wo say wo dada wo hwe wo calculate me nka snit pension
anya snit ho asem a
provident fund
e wa wo sika
e da ho no
cash da wo liquidity
ka bom se sia on say ye ka say wa sia ato form se sia anya say ska na ka koyi esike da onye sika say ye ka say sia ka ball obi na ye say buano na spend
enya no na be kwa koyi enya da ba bi kura ehome
problem bi
eni ho e ka bia na so
fifre bi ante no in this sika na me sisi ana o say we start work towards say
esa wo chance me pesa sika no o ti obi a wo pe financial freedom bia
you should have this
esa say wo de she utimu say
basic
sika esun wo de she wo ho busumi bia eti me fa say busumi bia wo hia 5,000 and na dia survival busumi bia wo hia 2,000 ansa wo bills no bibia keka bibia si ani a wo hia 2,000 esa wo hia 2,000 times 6 which is about 12,000 e da ba bia no enye say yi aba anase me ka say ana me petrol say eno de da ba bi ehome a wo da ba bi kwa
de besi bia
enka no eno ne financial freedom asase
foundation no just you are building your house on a rock
na se wo si wo na wo be poso
so wo kasa bebrebe na obrofo ka bebrebe sa de test to e on say a wajojo